If you use Amazon Web Service, you know that keeping your secret keys safe is essential to maintain the security of your account. But what do you do when you need to get your hands on those keys? In this video, I will show you how to get your Amazon AWS secret keys in a safe and secure way in just a few minutes. Hey, I'm Esteban, the Marketing Tips channel creator. In this channel, I will share tips to help affiliate marketers establish online business, including site building and driving traffic to make sales. If this is something that interests you, smash the subscribe button and click the notification bell to notify you anytime I post updates to this channel. Since I value your time, let us dive into today's topic. In order for you to create the Amazon AWS access and secret keys, you have to sign up to the Amazon AWS account. If you don't have an account with Amazon AWS, check the link in the description below where I provide a step-by-step tutorial on how to create your Amazon AWS account. In order to sign in to your account, you go to your browser. You just write there Amazon services sign in and you click enter. After clicking enter, here is the link to redirect you to the Amazon Web Service. You click on it, or you scroll down a bit and look for this link, which you can also click. After clicking, you are redirected to this page where you will put your email address. After putting your email address, you can create a new account or click next for continuing to the AWS account that you have already created. And then you put the security check letters here and final click submit. And after submitting, you put your password where it says password, and after inputting the password you click sign in. We are now redirected to a new page. Here we go to up right corner, we find our profile and we click on that arrow and we select your AWS console. We click there, we wait a bit, we are being redirected to a new page. We click again on that arrow on top right and we select security credentials. After selecting security credential, we wait a bit for it to load. We click here where it says next, and then we look for users in order to select the users. After that, we click on users. Then I click here where it says add the users. I'm redirected to a new page where I will input the user's name. You can put any name. In this case, I will put authority indexer. And then I select access keys programs access. I copy this name. I will need it later on. The next step is to click, but just to show you, here we have the secret access keys and the access keys ID. So you select there. After that, you click on next permission. Then you are redirected to this page where you click here where it says create group. You pass that name, or you write the name authority indexer. You can write any name you want, and then in this search bar you put S3, and after the S3 in that search bar you click the Amazon full access. You have to select the Amazon full access as I did, and after that what you do is to click here where it says create group. You are then redirected to this new page where you click here where it says next tags, and then you click again here where it says next review. After clicking where it says next review, you are redirected to this page where it shows the username, which is still the authority indexer. Then you click where it says create users. At this point, you have all the access key IDs and success access key that we were looking for. So as a bonus, I will show you how I use them in a specific app. You can use them for several objectives, but this specific case, I will use them for my app, which is Authority Indexer. To copy the access key ID, you click here, as I did. I then go to my Authority Indexer app and find the fields where I need to input data. I right click here where it says API access keys, and then I pass the keys that I have copied. Then I go here, I click where it says shows. I right click and copy it. I go back to my authority index app. I paste it here, and then I click here where it says test API. You see now it says valid API key. It means that the API, the key are right, so are valid. If you have been following the video, you may now have your Amazon AWS secret keys ready to use. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video.